Yet another YouTuber is saying goodbye to Team 10 and moving on to bigger and better things. Nick Crompton announced his departure from Team 10, and you know what they say, another one bites the dust. Nick Crompton, the guy who made the line "England is my city" famous, is the latest YouTuber to quit Team 10. The chief operations officer for the Jake Paul-led YouTube group announced his departure over the weekend, citing internal changes that he doesn't agree with as the reason. Nick explained in part, quote, "Due to internal changes being made within our various business that I don't agree with, I have resigned both as chief operations officer and as talent. I still love my Team 10 family, but the vision for the business, people involved, and direction it's now going in no longer makes sense to me." The British YouTuber calls the 2 years he spent with Team 10 the, quote, "best years of his life," and realizes how fortunate he is to have been a part of something that allowed him to have a, quote, "privileged lifestyle." It seemed from his statement that no real drama went on and caused him to leave. Team 10, however, released its own statement that contradicts Nick's words. It said, quote, "While it is always painful to say goodbye to individuals that have been part of our family, the reality is that Team 10 departures are always the result of a larger team decision and a deliberate plan to return balance and loyalty to our family. When members of an organization are focused on themselves and not the greater good of the team, there will undoubtedly be a disconnect. When our team reaches an impasse like that with individuals who no longer support the team vision, they must be removed so Team 10 can continue to thrive, support the fans, and foster the loyalty that keeps our community so powerful." Nick is one of the many people who have decided to quit Team 10 over the past couple years. Most recently, the Martinez twins, Alex Longi and Tessa Brooks, have stepped away from the YouTube troupe. But as often as people leave, it seems that new members join just as frequently. So what's the truth in this situation? Did Nick choose to leave Team 10, or was he kicked out? Tell us what your thoughts are in the comment section below, then click right over here to find out why Logan Paul quit daily vlogging. I'm your host, Drew Dorsey. Thanks so much for watching Clevver, and I'll see you next time.